Good to see you back, guys. Once again, I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn multi-dimensional array. In our previous tutorial, we'll learn how we can create arrays. With that, also we'll learn new array method. And as you know, we can put multiple values in an array. But as you can see, there is no relation between these values. But when we work with actual project, in that case, our data is related to each other. Something like that. Here you can see a student data. Student name, student age, student gender, student class. As you can see Tom, and his age is 17. He is male and he is in bachelor class. So as you can see, all this data in this row related to Tom. Similarly for Harry, Sunny and Sarah. To handle this kind of data, JavaScript introduced multi-dimensional array. It means inside the array we have multiple arrays. So if we want to convert this table structure into a multi-dimensional array, first you need to take an array. Then inside the array you need to take 4 different array as in value. Let me show you the syntax how we can convert this table structure into a multi-dimensional array. As you can see, at first we need to assign a variable. Then at first we need to take square braces like this. Then inside the square braces, for every table row we need to create different array. And as you can see, inside this array we have total 4 values. And as you can see, this is our inner square braces and this is our outer square braces. And between inner square braces we need to use comma. And as I told you in our previous tutorial, every value in an array comes with an index number. And the similar method also works for multi-dimensional arrays. As you can see, in our outer array we have total 4 values. And remember, it starts with 0 index number, not 1. And also you can see we have total 4 value in inner array. Name, age, gender and class. And similarly, this array also starts from 0 index, not 1. So let's start the practical and see how we can create multi-dimensional array in JavaScript. So as you can see, side by side, I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension. And I already created an HTML document named index.html. So at first, inside the script tag, I'm going to declare a variable. And our variable name is var array, A-R-Y, equal to, so at first, I'm going to take square braces for outer array. Then inside the square braces, I'm going to take 4 inner array. So again, I'm going to take square braces. And after square braces, I'm going to use comma. And after outer square braces, I'm going to use semicolon to end this line. Now, inside this inner array, I'm going to put total 4 values. At first, I'm going to pass a string. And I'm going to pass student name. And our student name is Harry. And then I'm going to pass student age, 19. Also, I'm going to pass student gender, male. Next, I'm going to pass student class, which is BCom. And then I'm going to duplicate this line. And here I'm going to put next student details, which is Tom. And he is 17-year-old. And he is also male. And he reading BCA. Not H Tom, only Tom. And again I'm going to duplicate this line. And our last student is Sunny. So here I'm going to pass Sunny. And she is 16 years old. And she is a female. And she studied in class 10. For now, I don't want to add many students. So I'm going to remove the last comma. So as you can see, we successfully create our multi-dimensional array. Now the question is, how can we print multi-dimensional array value? Simply, we can call particular array using their index number. Let me show you. So here I'm going to type document dot write. Inside the round braces, at first I'm going to call this array. Then inside the square braces, I want to print this row, all the details from Tom. So here I'm going to pass 1 because array start with 0 index. This is 0 and this is 1. And semicolon to end this line. If I save this file, as you can see in my browser, it print Tom, comma, age 17, male, and is from BCA. Now I don't want to print all the details from Tom. I want to print Tom name. For that, again we need to use square braces. and inside the square braces, we need to pass name index number, which is 0. So this is our outer array index number and this is our inner array index number. If I save this file, now you can see it's print only Tom. Similarly, if you want to print Tom's gender, in that case, you need to pass 2 here. If I save this file, as you can see, it print male. Similarly, if you want to print Harry age, in that case, at first, in our outer index array, we need to pass 0. And in our inner index array, we need to pass 0. If I save this file, as you can see, it print the name, Harry. So this is it for this tutorial. In this tutorial, I just introduce you what is multi-dimensional array and how we can create multi-dimensional array in JavaScript. And here also you learn how we can access particular value of multi-dimensional array. So this is it for this tutorial. In our upcoming tutorial, I'm going to show you how can we use multi-dimensional array with nested loops. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.